Alrighty, hey guys, I am back with a vlog, and as you can see, I have my pick in my hair. Surprisingly, my hair is actually really long. Yeah, I'm going to use my favorite shampoo of all time, or one of them, and the conditioner, which I love so much. This is my second pack. They sent me two. I don't use the whole pack, I use half of it, so I'm actually going to do a little, wine and dine, and you guys are gonna see it all. A little wine, a little candle. Gonna get it set up and, wash my hair and condition it. So, stay tuned. And I'm actually gonna use this conditioner. So guys, please don't try this at home. I am done washing and scrubbing my scalp. Now I'm gonna go underwater. Ooh. Oh, my ears. Look at that. I feel like Beyonce. It feels so soft. Oh, some of my. Now that I can hear, and all of it's out of my hair now, you guys can see my nicely wet hair. To my eye. Sit you back down. Alright, so this product was not included in this box, but this is one of my favorite conditioners. This one here. Whatever. Oh shit, it always comes out so hard. I always do a few pumps and I go ahead and rub that through. I love it. It smells like candy and also like bark. So I'll go ahead and put this conditioner on. And this is what it looks like. So I actually ran out of shower cap, so I can't cover this right now, but you guys know how this process works. If you want to leave it in for a deeper condition, you can leave it in for more than 15 minutes. I'm probably just going to leave it in for 15 minutes because I've been staying up on my conditioning. Thank God. And then I'll be back with all washed out, clean hair. Well, washed and conditioned hair. Alright, so I'm still a little wet. I have washed and conditioned my hair, and now it's time to leave in the leave-in treatment mask, which is one of my favorites. And again, I don't use the whole mask. I'll actually show you guys how much I use. Let's see. After shampooing, apply a generous amount of strengthening mask from root to ends. Pay particular attention to hair ends, comb through with even distribution. Place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. I don't sit under dryer. And I'm actually not going to cover today, but it still works for me. So, let's get into it. So I usually squeeze out, I make like a line across, and I squeeze out that much. And I don't have as much hair, so here's what I usually do. This is how much I'm using. I take some and I part my hair, and I go straight down the middle, and then I just comb out. Oh, well, as you see, I dropped some. Then I just go and go all around my hair, but I make sure I get in there nice and good. Oh, it smells so good. And then scrunch it. I will admit I do lose a little hair, You guys can't see it, so a little bit of those loose strands do come out, but for the most part my hair is so strengthened right now thanks to this that a lot of it doesn't actually fall out. I don't have much shedding, I don't have much breakage, and I try not to put heat on my hair to prevent that. So yeah, that's all I needed. I don't need that much, which is why this product lasts me so long. Just make sure whatever you do, I try to put it in a Ziploc bag or like a little Tupperware container, so that way I still can have it. I get about 3 or 4, sometimes 5 uses out of it because my hair isn't super long, so I'm not using as much product. Plus I don't need that much. Just show you guys. Again guys, you can cover it. I won't say I never cover it, I just don't really want to cover it right now. I ran out of cap, so I can't cover it, but for the most part it's nice and smooth and soft, and I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes and then I'll wash it out. Okay, so my hair is all dried up, well, a little moist still, but all wash, conditioned, and done with the mask. The silicone free miracle style leave-in treatment. Actually, I'm gonna spray this on tonight and I'll show you guys how this and why this is probably one of the best gels I have ever used, especially from Shea Moisture. I was so nervous trying gels, but after I show you what it does, you'll be a believer too. So look out for this, because it is a wonder product. So let's finish up with the leave-in conditioner. Give this a few squirts. Sorry, it's so messy. Go ahead and run this through. Hey guys, I'm off to bed and I will show you guys, well, I'm gonna try to wake up early to record at least some of the video of me putting on the 100% coconut styling gel, which looks amazing, but I'll leave the footage to show you guys how amazing it works. And yeah, I am out. Time to go to bed. Good night, see you in the morning. Alright, so good morning guys. I woke up an hour earlier so that way I can come show you guys what this daily hydration styling gel, sorry I'm still asleep, gel does for my hair. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth and wash my face and then I'll put it on. Alright, so now that I did most of my morning prep, I went ahead and combed out my hair and sprayed a little water on it, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on the Shea Moisture gel so you guys can see the difference. So I'm a little nervous about gels. I used to use the souffle, and I didn't like the souffle as much just because it weighed down on my hair so much. But this actually is okay. It's not like super watery. It smells good. Yeah, just rub it together and comb it through my hair. I'm trying to separate my hair on both sides so I can show you what it does. You know what? I'm just gonna do my whole head because this is not gonna work. And then depending on how curly you want it to be, you can keep adding more styling gel to it. And I got a little more. Again, I just get it in between my fingernails and pull it through. My hair is like nice, curly. So at this point, it's a nice wash and go. It's gonna take some time for it to dry and then the curls to actually really pop. So I'll have to check in with you guys later today and show you what it looks like. So I am out.